YouTube, Margera64 here, gonna do piano lessons for people who don't play piano, or songs you might know. This one is gonna be about the techno song Sandstorm. It goes like this. Okay, to start the song, you're going to need to put your thumb on a D and your middle or pointer finger, whatever's comfortable, on an F sharp, and the next on an A. So you make a chord sounding like this. That's the very beginning note. You want to do this once, and then you're going to move your fingers almost up a half step until one finger is on an E, another one on a G, and another one is on a B, so it makes a chord like this. And you do this a few times. This is like the melody part. That. And then you're going to move your middle finger and your pinky finger up one half step to an A and a C. So you're going to go from here, still pushing your thumb with the note. You're going to make a new chord, and you're going to do this once from this chord, like that, and then you're going to move back down to this chord and do it 3 or so times. You go back, you do that a total of 2 times, and then when you're done with that, you go to, this is what it'll sound like. Now from here, you're going to move your thumb up to the G, and you're going to put your fingers all the way up here to a C and E. So you're going to do like 4 times. Move these 2 fingers, pointer and middle, down 2 notes, half step. Do that twice, and then you're going to do the first chord, which is this, the F sharp, D, and G, the A. So pretty much the whole thing will sound like this. That's how you play the techno song Sandstorm. See you later, Margera64 signing out.